All right, everybody. So Opendoor didn't go up too much today. Had a nice pump in the morning time because Eric Jackson said a few words. It made it pump up a little bit, and then it came back down. But it closed green, and it did not go below support. And it almost broke its resistance at $4.50. So that's not too bad. Let's check out the chart. I'm going to show you a few things that stood out to me in the news today. Here we go. So in the weekly chart, nothing stood out too much. This is the candle that we're finishing with on the week. Nice doji candle for the weekly. On the daily chart, consolidating. Nice doji candle. And we're trading sideways from 420 to about 493. In the previous video, I said as long as we trade within this red candlestick on the lower end we did yesterday, and now we're like in the middle of this red candlestick right now. We almost broke it though. We almost broke it when we tried to break $5 today. So that's not bad at all. So right now we closed like in the middle of the red candlestick. So hopefully next week we can close up around $4.75 and finally break that $5 and be done with the $4 area. Hopefully next week, that's what we're looking for. On the hourly chart, here's the big pump. That's when Eric Jackson was talking. And then after he finished talking, I guess, it went back down. It came all the way down to like 429, 420. And as you can see, I did not move that blue line right here. I didn't move it. I never touched it. And we touched 420 exactly. The past two previous videos, I said the support is at $4.20. And that's exactly where we touched, right? Let's see. $4.21 actually. But it's close. It's close to 420. And then once we touched that support, it was up from there. Every hour through the day today, it was just going up. Higher lows every single hour. Every single hour, higher lows, as you can see right here. Here's a low here, another low. It's kept going up, as it kept going up. So that's healthy consolidation on the way up for today on the hourly chart. And also, you know, the market was down pretty bad today. You look at the Mag 7 on his left side, if you can see, all red. Nvidia, the Qs, Google did pretty good today. Tesla, we got a Tesla chart straight down. Costco didn't do too bad, but it went down some. Meta went down. Netflix, crazy, went down $23. What else? Amazon went down. Everything went down. Apple didn't do too bad, holding up a little bit, consolidating a little bit. Nvidia went down. Qs, horrible day for Qs. After hours, they're red. All red in after hours. So in Opendoor, let's look at Opendoor chart. Not too bad. We finished green, closed green. After hours, we're about even, right? We're not down after hours at all. So that's not bad at all. So here's the news I was talking about. A lot of people are saying that's why Opendoor went up a lot this morning. Why Opendoor Technology stock is on the move today. It says EMJ Capital Eric Jackson appeared on Yahoo Finance. And what happened was Eric Jackson compared Opendoor to Uber and Airbnb. And the second article I want to show you was August 28th. That was yesterday at 4:30. The acting CEO, he tweeted, "We're all in on the long-term opportunity for Open. Actions speak louder than words. I'm personally buying more stock, and all members of our executive team have canceled their 10b5-1 selling plans." And the acting CEO purchased 30,000 shares of Opendoor, approximately $128,000 of Opendoor on Thursday in 2 transactions. He now owns a little over 4 million shares. Eric Jackson also said it was very important to see that the Carvana CEO, Ernie Garcia, add to his holdings of the company even during its darkest days, and how he wished that Opendoor's management would do the same. So that's nice. That's nice right there. So the CEO of Carvana also bought some shares of Opendoor. And here we are back at the chart, and after hours up a little bit, trading at $4.45. It seemed like we were trading that same thing yesterday, right? After hours, just look at it. Yeah, we're at the same price as yesterday after hours. It was fluctuating between $4.45 and $4.47. And it seemed like we're almost in that same area after hours for today. Look, $4.46 after hours. We're doing the same thing as yesterday after hours. So that's more evidence of consolidation in Opendoor. We are trading the same price after hours as we were yesterday. So an accumulation of shares, to me, I think is ongoing with Opendoor Technology. And as I said before, once we break that $4.50 and close above it, we can start going to the $4.75 area. And then once we break that $4.75, $5 area is going to be next. And you know, if we break $5, it may fluctuate a little bit between the high $4 area and the low $5 area. And that's okay. That's okay, because we're moving up slowly. This is a recovery stock, not a straight meme stock where we go from $5 to $50 in 2 days. It could happen too, because it is also a meme stock. A lot of retail is behind this stock. So it can also pump like that, but it got to have a huge catalyst. I mean, super huge catalyst, nice housing data numbers, interest rate cut, a really good CEO who has a lot of experience in his past. Something like that can make Opendoor squeeze to like a crazy number. But until something like that happens, we will probably slowly move up, a little bit at a time. And that's okay. Thank you, everybody. Don't forget, join the Discord. I have the link in my bio. And have a great weekend. Have a great holiday. Take care.